So guys, did you know that you can use Claude to help you start an automated YouTube channel? Let me show you an example of a channel that's doing something similar right now. So I found this one. As you guys can see, if I click on more, this channel was started around a year ago and they've already been able to get almost 7 million views across all their videos. And the reason why this channel stands out to me is because of the format that they're using. It's very simplistic and anyone that's watching this video right now is going to be able to do something similar. So let me click into one of them. Let's click into this one right here. So this is a video that's all about ancient Egypt, and again you guys can see that the format is not complicated. It's not completely animated, but yet they've been able to get over 170,000 views in just 3 months. And the purpose of this video that I'm making right now is that I want to show you how you can do something similar where you don't need to make the video yourself. You don't need to have any editing skills. And Claude is going to be able to do most of the heavy lifting with the help of another tool called Digital Maker AI. Now, Digital Maker AI is going to be an important part of the puzzle throughout this whole thing because it's going to assist you when it comes to being able to start this YouTube automated channel. And for those of you that might be confused thinking, but Sam, what exactly is an automated channel? Let me quickly explain it. So it's basically where you're going to be able to post content similar to what I just showed you. But the automation aspect comes from the fact that you don't need to necessarily make the videos yourself. You don't need to have any editing skills. You don't even need to come up with the video ideas yourself. As long as you know what your channel's about, you can use tools like Digital Maker AI with Claude to generate the videos for you and give it to you however often you want. If you want to post every single day, you can set up an automation where you can receive those videos fully edited directly in your email inbox. The only thing that you're going to need to do is review it, make sure that you're happy with it, and then of course upload it to your channel so that you can publish it so that your viewers can watch it. The method that I'm going to show you in today's video, I've not seen anyone else showing you. A lot of the methods when it comes to using Claude are overcomplicated. It requires you to install Claude Code, maybe some other Visual Studio software. Maybe you're going to have some basic level of coding. But with this method, everything's going to be fully automated and you're going to be able to create the videos that you want in a way that's going to be simplistic and straightforward. So yeah, the first thing that you're going to need to do is sign up for an account with Digital Maker AI. I'm going to leave it linked down below and I'm also going to put a coupon code down there as well. And just so that you guys know, the channel that I showed you at the start of this video, the way that I was able to find it was by going onto the Faceless Finder. So you can find it on the left hand side. I clicked into niche and then I selected history. I'm only using this niche as an example just to show you how everything works, but right there, as you guys can see, this is the channel that I was able to find, and you can also see the estimated AdSense revenue for the channel as well, and we can see that this one is doing quite well. So yeah, definitely check this out. Select whatever niche that you're thinking about starting. Look at all of the different channels within that niche. See exactly how they're posting their content, what they're doing exactly. Don't copy them outright, but you can definitely use this Faceless Finder feature as a source of inspiration. So one of the first steps that you're going to need to take when it comes to starting your very own automated YouTube channel is that you need to first and foremost make sure that you've got the right plan with Digital Maker AI. It's going to be either the premium plan or the ultimate plan. I'd recommend to go onto the pricing page, double check which one suits your needs in terms of the limits, the usage, so on and so forth. The reason why you need to upgrade from a free account to either premium or ultimate is because you're going to need to get your API keys so that you can connect to your Digital Maker AI account directly to Claude. If you don't know already, Digital Maker AI has this video maker that you can use when it comes to making a similar style of video that I showed you at the start of this video. And as you can see, I'm using the ultimate plan and I can generate videos up to 30 minutes long. And if you don't mind logging into your Digital Maker AI account every single day, selecting this, choosing the different options when it comes to generating your video, you can definitely do that because you've got a little bit more control as per each video that you're going to be making. So this is definitely not a bad way to go, but since this video is all about automation, that's the reason why we're going to be connecting Digital Maker AI to the new Claude MCP. If you want to get a little bit more information about it, I'm going to leave a brand new blog post down below. You can also go onto the homepage, click on learn more when it comes to the AI integration with Claude. And over here, you're going to get all the information you need in terms of what you're able to do directly in Claude and just how everything works. But yeah, once you're ready to connect your Digital Maker AI account to Claude so that you can start your YouTube automation process, you need to click into settings. You're going to see Claude MCP as one of the tabs. From there, you need to click on create a key. I'm going to block out part of the URL because it's going to contain my API key. And this is something that you don't want to share with anybody. But with this, what you're now going to do is make your way over to your Claude account. And it's going to be within your Claude account that you're going to now click on customize just at the top over there. Then click on add custom connector. And all you simply need to do is copy and paste the information within your Digital Maker AI settings in terms of the name as well as the URL in there, just like this. And then click on connect. And yeah, everything should now be connected and ready for you to now set up your automation system. Now, the way that this whole thing is going to work is that you're going to use Claude Cowork. A lot of people are still confused as to how it works and what benefits it even comes with, but it's actually a very powerful feature by Anthropic. And essentially the way that it works is that it's going to help you schedule certain tasks so that you don't need to log into your Claude account every single day and have a conversation with it. You can give it one prompt, one time, set up the automation, and then from there, it's going to be able to action everything. And because you've now connected Digital Maker AI directly to your Claude account, that means that if you give it the right prompt, it's going to be able to go into your Digital Maker AI account, generate the video, and everything's going to be done on the back end. So yeah, if you want to use Claude Cowork directly within your browser, you can do that simply by clicking into this. But what you can also do is install Claude directly onto your desktop. Whichever one that you decide to use is completely down to you. Today, I'm going to be using the Claude desktop version. So here we have it. This is what the Claude desktop version is going to look like. It's going to look very similar to the browser version. But yeah, now that I'm here, for me to set up this automation so that videos are generated every single day, I'm going to need to give it a specific prompt. And to be honest, you can go directly into the chat box. Of course, make sure that you select Cowork, enter whatever information you want to enter, tell it exactly what type of videos you want to make. But I would say that there is a better way of being able to get the best prompt, a more precise prompt that's going to instruct Claude to do exactly what we're trying to do in regards to this automated YouTube channel. And for you to get that prompt, you're just going to go over to your account and then click into the prompt maker. And for those of you that's not really sure as to what the prompt maker does, if you're new to this channel, essentially you can select any one of these different AI tools. So whichever one that you're looking to work with, of course, today we're looking to work with Claude, you're going to select it. And then from there, it's going to take you through a series of different questions. And at the end of it, you're going to get a custom prompt based on your own specific situation. So from here, you're going to click on Business Blueprint. It's then going to ask you what is it you're looking to build. So you've got all of these different options, but of course we're looking to build a AI faceless YouTube channel. So just select it like that. The next question is, how would you like Claude to help you with your YouTube channel? The one that you're going to select is going to be scheduled video generation. It's then going to ask you, what is your channel called? So I'm going to replicate, or I'm going to make a example channel that is similar to the one I showed you earlier. It's going to be all about history. I'm just going to give it the name History Unlocked. Just going to put it in there like that. Click on next. What niche is your channel in? So as you can see, you can select any one of these. And if you can't find your specific niche, you can always click on something else and then type it in. But I'm going to click on history. What should the videos be about? Be specific, because this is what Claude is going to use for it to generate the automated videos. So I'm just going to say it's going to be stories about ancient civilizations. How often do I want a new video to be generated? So remember guys, what we're doing here is that we're setting up Claude to automatically make videos every single day or however often we want. In this case, I'm going to say every day. So I'm just going to go with this one. But if you wanted it to do twice a day, you could select this, every 2 days, 3 times a week. It's completely down to you. What time should the entire sequence run? So by this, what it's asking is, when do you want the automated video to land in your inbox? I'm going to say around 6 a.m. my time. We're going to go with that so that I have time to review the video, make any changes if I need to, and of course, upload it to YouTube. How long should each video be? So if you guys are not aware, with the premium plan on Digital Maker AI, you can generate a faceless video up to 10 minutes long. However, with the ultimate plan, you can generate a video up to 30 minutes long. So be mindful of this when you're generating your videos. But for now, I'm just going to go with 1 minute because I don't want to burn through my credits unnecessarily. Do you have a recurring character that you want to appear in your videos? So with this type of channel, I'm going to say no, because it's just going to be about ancient, civilizations like Egypt, so on and so forth. But if you did have a channel that did have a character that's going to appear in every video, what you're going to do is select yes. You would have already have needed to upload the image of the character in your Digital Maker AI account. If you've already done that, you could just type in the name here. But if you haven't done so, you're going to have to do that first. So for me, I'm going to say no because I don't have a recurring character. And finally, how should the videos look? So with this one, I guess it's going to be, historic / ancient because that's the theme, but make sure that you select the necessary one for the style of videos that you're looking to make. So I'm going to go with this, click on generate prompt. Okay, perfect. So just like that, as you guys can see, it's now come back with the full prompt that I'm going to be able to copy just like this. It's also going to give you the instructions as to what you're going to do with this prompt. I've already explained it. You just need to use either Claude or the desktop app, go to co-work, and then from there you can generate your videos automatically. So you can follow this or you could just watch the remainder of the video. But now that I've got the prompt, I'm just going to go back over to Claude Co-work, and what I'm going to do is just paste everything in there just like this. You don't have to read it. You can do so if you want. You can make adjustments to it, but it's already got all of your answers pre-programmed into it with some other instructions. But yeah, right there, as you guys can see, Claude Co-work has now gone straight to work to start scheduling all of these automated videos. Remember, because Digital Maker AI is connected directly to your Claude account, it's going to go directly into it and start the process of generating these videos. So as you can see, it's initially setting up the scheduled task. It's letting me know that it's live. I've just told it to start the process right there. It's letting me know that it's done so and the video is ready for me to view by clicking into this link. And it's also giving me the YouTube title as well as the description that I can copy and paste. And if we go into the scheduled task within Claude, we can see that everything has been set up right there every day at 6 a.m. And if I wanted to make any changes to this so that it maybe does it at a different time, I can always click into it, click on edit, and it's going to be from here where I can change the frequency. If I want it to run every hour, every day at a certain time, I'm going to be able to adjust everything in this section over here, including the prompt if I want to make changes to the type of videos that it's going to make. And this is something that I'm doing every single day. If I just log into my Gmail, you guys can see right there that a brand new video is being generated every day, sometimes multiple times a day for different channels that I'm running. Just to kind of give you an idea as to how this is going to work, once Claude automatically runs it at the time that you want it to run it, you're going to receive this email directly from Digital Maker AI, notifying you that your video is now made. It's going to be fully edited, ready for you to use straight away. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. If I click into this video over here, this is the one that we generated right now. 3 facts about ancient Egypt. This is what the email is going to look like. It's going to give you the link where you can access your video. And here we go. This is the video that it was able to make. I haven't even watched it yet. We're going to watch it together, maybe 30 seconds of it, maybe even 1 minute, just so that you can see the quality of the video that it was able to make without me having to do anything with the help of Claude Co-work. So let me just click on play.
Imagine standing at the edge of the Giza Plateau at golden hour, facing a structure so mathematically perfect that it contains 2.3 million stone blocks, each one precisely cut and placed, assembled in just 20 years by a civilization without cranes or pulleys. If you love uncovering the hidden genius of ancient cultures, subscribe so you never miss these revelations. But here's what's truly staggering. The Egyptians didn't build the pyramids just to impress us. They were obsessed with permanence itself. This obsession drove them to invent mummification, a technology so effective that bodies remain recognizable after 4,000 years. It pushed them to develop hieroglyphic writing, a system so durable that we're still reading their words today. While empires around them crumbled into dust, Egypt engineered eternity. Their monuments weren't just tombs, they were time capsules designed to outlast kingdoms. 3,000 years later, we're here.
So yeah, there we go. I'm sure that you guys get the point. That was the video that it was able to make. Seamless, straightforward, well put together. Everything is synced up perfectly. The subtitles, the AI voiceover, it all sounds realistic. The imagery, all high quality, all done automatically without me having to do anything. And this is what's going to be generated every single day, a different video that I can now upload to my channel. And the good thing about this whole process is that if you did want to make any changes to the video that you received, you can do so simply by scrolling down over here. If you want to remove any of the effects that was put into it, you can just turn it off or turn it on. If you want to change the subtitles, you can do so. If you want to change any of the scenes in the video, you can easily do so by clicking on regenerate, or you can upload a new image in its place. So yeah, there's a lot of flexibility, and from this point you're going to be able to download the MP4, upload it to your channel, and do the same thing the next day where you're going to receive the video directly in your inbox. And the thing is, guys, with the setup that I just showed you right now, you can automate the process of the video being uploaded directly to your channel as well. I've got another video coming out real soon where I'm going to break that down. If you wanted me to speed up that process so that you have the full automated pipeline from start to finish, just comment down below, do the full YouTube automation video with your location, either your country or city, and I'll be sure to make that video ASAP, and also make sure that it's tailored to your own location and your specific situation. So I'm going to move on to another cool thing that you can do with Claude that no one else on YouTube has ever shown, which is the fact that you can use it to generate a thumbnail directly in the chat. So again, we're going to be using the Digital Maker AI MCP. As long as you've got it connected, let me just make sure that my one is connected. I'm going to click on connectors. Yep, right there, as you guys can see, it's connected. And you can either ask it to create a thumbnail from scratch. So it's going to be a brand new concept. You can describe exactly what you want it to look like. But what you can also do is clone a thumbnail from your competitor that did well, that maybe you want to use their style, you want to take some sort of inspiration from them. You don't want to copy them outright because this is not the best way to grow a YouTube channel. But if you did want to use a proven thumbnail when it comes to making your own, you can simply do that using the Digital Maker AI MCP. So what I'm going to do is go back over to this channel that has been able to get over 6 million views in the last year. I've clicked on popular. Right there, we can see these are all of the different videos that they've made. This is their ancient Egypt video, the one that I just made. So if I want to get a similar thumbnail, what I'm going to do is just take a screenshot of it just like this, and then go back over to Claude. I'm just going to drag and drop the thumbnail in there just like that. Then what I'm going to do is enter this prompt. What this says is, I want you to make a thumbnail for my YouTube video titled Facts About Ancient Egypt, using my competitor's thumbnail attached as inspiration, but put the pyramid on the thumbnail instead using a similar style. So I'm going to click on chat. I'm going to make sure that I'm using Opus 5. This is the one that I like to use. And then I'm going to click on send message. And what Claude is going to do is that it's going to use its vision to look at the image, analyze it, it's going to break it down, and then from there it's going to make sure that it selects the right options within Digital Maker AI automatically so that it comes back with a thumbnail that you can use straight away. So this process might take a few minutes for it to go through everything, but whatever the case is, as soon as it's done, I'm going to be back straight away and I'm going to show you the results. So right there, as you guys can see, it's analyzed my prompt, it's found the right tool within Digital Maker AI, and it's now generating the image. The good thing about this is that it's seamless, you know, it's super quick. You don't need to over explain exactly what you want to do. If you did want to give it more details, you can definitely do that. But right there, as you can see, it's now come back letting me know that it's been able to do so. And the image is also saved in my history as well. So I can either go to my history within my account, or I can say provide me with the URL link. Okay, there we go. So it's now come back with the link. Let's just click into it. Okay, there we go. So this is the thumbnail that it was able to come back with, and I'll say that it's pretty decent. You know, the fact that I didn't need to use Canva, you know, Photoshop, Adobe, whatever people are using these days when it comes to making a thumbnail, I could just use Claude when it comes to entering in a specific prompt, and it's going to be able to come back with a thumbnail with a high CTR potential. And don't forget, guys, if you wanted to view anything that you've built within Claude, either thumbnails, you know, any sort of graphic, your profile picture for your channel, your banner, or any video, you can do so by clicking into your history. It's going to be here where you're going to be able to find everything that you need. You can just click into it, and then from there you can download anything that you've generated in the past. If you've enjoyed this video so far, you've learned anything, you got any sort of value from it, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more time showing you step by step what goes into being able to start your channel from scratch in terms of being able to get your YouTube studio set up, also being able to get your profile picture, your banner, just everything integrated into your channel so that you can start publishing content. You're going to be able to watch that video by clicking the link on screen. Be sure to click that watch that straight after this because it's already helped out so many people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.